Hello guys, welcome to my blog.
Yeah?
Today's video I will teach you how to operate this addressable funnel Zener brand. So this funnel have a trouble. Electrical fan AC fill because of the and then BD10 BD10 workshop 1, that is beam detector 10, device number 10. So the other one is belong to zone 2 pump room. Zone 7 is the beam detector area. So how to access this panel, guys? So we need to press okay. So asking password, you type this panel, you can type 411, 111, enter. So you can access now. So you can go zone queue. So you can see the details of device. You can use scroll down or scroll up. Device 1, guard house, pump room, substation. So all device details you can scroll down. Then you can go back. If you want to disable the device, you can do like this. Scroll down, it's okay. Then you type the device number for some device 1, then accept. Then they will disable. You go accept. If you enable, you go back, you go command enable. Scroll up, then press OK. Then you put the device number, the one you enable, then press accept, then accept. So they have trouble now, guys. I will make reset the panel. So the panel is normal, but we have trouble too. So they will coming back this trouble. Use the easy failure of the pump from the off, and we have a trouble for beam detector. So we need to clear, but the problem is the beam detector is very high. See, they're coming now. This is easy failure, and the other one they will come also the zone 7. Zone 7. Make cancel buzzer, so make sounds, no more sounds. This panel, guys, is very old. I will go out. Exit. So that's all, guys. That is the function of this panel. The Zener panel addressable. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.